When the spice disappeared, the kitchen kingdom trembled. So the strangest heroes answered the call.
Banana Barbarian Kind, more peel than patience. Pizza Paladin Fame, cheesy heart, molten courage.
Avocado Archer, Inti, quiet, sharp, guac ready.
A taco rogue, a brie knight, and a donut scout joined.
Why not?
The harvest bots weren't stealing fruit. They wanted the last spice.
Plan, confuse, distract, and reclaim. Step 1, sneak like a midnight crumb.
Pizza Paladin bakes a cheese mirage bro. They'll chase the scent.
Taco Rogue lays slick salsa tracks. Slips ensue.
But one bot found the trail Tannian. Alarms.
Banana leaps douse, not to fight, but to peel the plan. Avocado fires an olive arrow with a mirror tip, reflect and blind.
Brie knight charges, melting their morale and slightly melting.
Donut Scout distracts with powdered sugar smoke. Delicious confusion.
The spice smelled of family recipes. It hummed.
The whole kitchen rallied. Spoons, lids, and a whisk choir.
Together they made a spice magnet. Citrus, steam, and song.
Robots confused, emotional algorithm error. They short-circuit into dance.
Spice back. Kingdom safe. Party mode. ON.
They didn't fight for glory. They fought so recipes would survive. Food heroes saved the spice, but the Fridge Fortress has its own secrets. Subscribe to see what peels next.